Hello everyone, Jerry Riz here coming to you with another video, and today I'm talking about wallets. You may have seen, I did a wallet video about Distil Union, the Wally wallet. My original one, which I still have right here, links down below or maybe up here. I did a video on that and people really seem to like that one, and people have been asking for a follow-up. So when I switched from this one, it was 2.5 years till when I switched to this new wallet right here, which has a new way of holding in the cards. It's a little bit more secure, but Distil Union sent this over. This is their new and improved version of this with a couple of the features, and I figure it's been 2.5 years since I've had this. It's time to switch. Let's check it out. Okay, if you see here, I have the new wallet here, which is the Distil Union Wally Bi-Fold, still the same name as before. Now, still holds 12 cards in its pouches like these and this one, but it has 2 more pockets in there, and this does actually have RFID skimming protection. It shields from RFID, so if someone comes by you with a swiper to like get your card information or to get any kind of information or any cards in your wallet, it can get it, but this has stuff to thwart that. So what we're gonna do first is check this out. So like I said, Distil Union. Let's pull it out. Packaging there. Want to know how to get a slim wallet? Yeah, use one of these. I've been using these for now 5 years, and I'm never going back to another wallet because they cost pretty good money. I think about 60 bucks. This one right here is about 65 bucks compared to 60 bucks on the originals, but it does make some improvements. So let's actually get this off here. All right, nice and sticky. All right, so let's open it up and see what we got here. Obviously we still have our money clip, which is nice. See, the wallets are the same size as they've always been, nice and slim and easy to pocket in the front pocket. I've always used these in my front pocket. So yeah, like I don't really like putting things in my back pocket because, you know, it's bad for the back and everything, but it's also just easier to get and less easy to steal. So let's put my original one aside and let's look inside again. The new additions are these 2 pockets right here, one on one side, one on the other, and what they say these are for is they're really good for putting your ID inside, which I actually probably will do because it's not like I have to pull out my ID all the time. But another one is to put any RFID things you don't want blocked, whether it be like a subway card like in, you know, London or maybe hopefully New York soon. You can actually just pull it out and put it down, or maybe even, you know, a hotel card. So that's the new features. They still pull out like this, and as you see here, they give you a code here. Slim Wally gives you 10% off. So if you want to use this code, you can get your own Distil Union wallet from their website, link down below, and use this code to get 10% off any wallet. So there you go. Let's pull out the other side. Same difference. It says how to use it, and it does come with a 1-year warranty, fully 1-year warranty, and I can tell you right now, their support line is very good. You can contact them through social media and stuff. They've always been really good with me. Yeah, really solid company. I wouldn't still be using these wallets 5 years later if they weren't a solid company. So as you can see here, the difference between this wallet, this is the original Wally, like I said. This one doesn't have any kind of springiness or anything to it. The new one, the one I've been using, does, and you can put 6 cards on either side, but the new one, like I said, you can put 6 cards on either side and also 2 additional cards, so 14 cards total. They still have the pull cords like all the others, but they don't have the red pull cord anymore. That's how you separate these. This one had the red pull cord on one side and the black on the other. This has black and gray. I like the red look, but I'm willing to sacrifice it for the extra security of not being able to just get my card swiped while walking by. So what I'm going to do here is actually go through and put all my cards in here and see how it looks. As I said, this is kind of like a refresher, and the reason why I'm updating this wallet is because, I don't know if you can see there, even with using only 6 cards per side, you know, the metal band that holds the cards in, it does hold them in rather well. They don't fall out. it has started to wear through on the sides. That's kind of the reason why I decided to upgrade to the newer one. I don't know if it's going to be built any better. It feels solid, but you know, with any kind of metal wallet, you know, it's rubbing against your pocket all the time. That kind of thing's going to happen. It never like cut me or anything, never hurt me, but it's just something to maybe watch out for. But look, it's just as snappy as they ever were. Doesn't fall out, holds my money, and yeah, that's why I'm upgrading. Okay, so I have all my cards in here. I got my ID in here and the Metro card here, which is great because, you know, I always fumble for this when I'm going into the subway. You know, it's so easy, so hard to like, because I actually kind of lost some before just because pulling it out and then I don't want to put it right back in, so I put it in my pocket and it's never to be seen again. But having its own little pocket here is really nice. Open it up, pull it out, and what's nice is, you know, if you know New York ever updates its system, you can just flip it open, tap it, and go, which would be really sweet. But yeah, let's put some money in it so we can get the full thickness of what this is actually going to be in my pocket. Okay, so there you go. This is the brand new Wally Bi-Fold wallet with the RFID protection. You can see right there, that's how thick it is. Even with 6 cards on each side and 2 cards in the inside and cash in the center, it is pretty slim. And like I said, I've never had a problem putting these inside my front pocket, and that's how I use these wallets. I really don't feel safe putting anything in my back pocket because they're way too easy to take, especially in New York City, any big city. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, so that's just been a quick look at the new Distil Union wallet, again with the RFID and the 2 new pockets on the inside, which I'm actually really excited about. Like I said, pulling out your ID and pulling out the Metro card, it kind of just makes sense to have them separate because those are things you might access in different times than your regular, you know, cards or any kind of thing. And maybe you just heard my cat, she whined. There she goes again. But, you know, I will say, they've stayed consistent with their quality. You know, 2.5 years on a wallet that costs $60, I think is well worth it, especially with how good it works. And, you know, it's not like they failed. It's just that I decided to upgrade. You can keep, I could have kept on using this original one probably for a little while longer, and it would have been fine. But I like where they're going with this. Having a little extra security in there is definitely a nice feature. It feels great. I can't wait to break it in. But yeah, if you like this video and you want to check out my original one on this one, link down below, because you can still buy this one without the RFID. It's $5 cheaper, but, you know, might as well for $5 get this one. And like I said, I'll link down below where you can get this, either on Amazon or you can get it on their website. 10% off on their website, and they usually do have some deals running on Amazon too. But yeah, hope you liked this video. If you did, comment, like it, subscribe, all that stuff. All right, so enjoy your Riz. See you later.